Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Cooker in Japan. Today let's talk about Google Vids, the new workspace tool that lets you edit videos just like you do in Google Slides. It's built for teamwork, easy sharing and speed, no installs, no exports, just cloud-first video creation right inside Workspace.
Exciting!
Yeah.
I would compare if I can use this to create our videos to posting on YouTube too.
That would be great. In this video, I show you why Vids is such a big deal, how it works, and how we are already using it in our own team. Let's get started. So let's start from talking why Vids is a big deal. First, no downloads, no subscription. Just edit and share. Of course, you can set viewers, editors, or paste link in chat or spaces. Second great thing is that you can do a real-time collaboration. Multiple editors in one timeline on live. This is not really possible in many tools.
Real-time collaboration is very interesting. Being able to divide video editing work with our teammates makes a huge difference.
And thirdly, it feels like using slides. Same UI for shapes, text, and layout are practically same. You have much less things to starting it. Now, let's open Google Vids from App Launcher. Then select Start a new video. To importing media, you just drag a video. Just note that you can edit 10 minutes max per clip. Take a look in the screen. Preview on top. Here is where you will set the object and videos. And the timeline is below. Touch this bar to use the zoom slider and navigate on long clips. To trim the video, you just need to drag clip edges to shorten.
This just feels like other video editing tools. Very efficient.
Of course, you can add an audio as well. Just drag your music in and it will start in the timeline. Levels, right-click clip. Sound, set music to 10% and fade in for a gentle start. To split scene or audio, zoom in on the timeline, place a playhead, right-click split, add playhead. Delete the unwanted leading. Now, here's where Vids really shines. It edits just like Google Slides.
This is the most interesting part.
I see your eyes shining, Naruto! For your next thing, open the Shapes and Lines panel on the right. Pick a shape, for example, a rounded rectangle. Drag it onto the canvas and double-click to type text. You can change the fill color, border, and text style, exactly like in Slides. To add more details, use Add Body Text from the text panel. You can copy and paste a text box, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, to duplicate styles and keep formatting consistent, just like duplicating elements in Slides.
Can we also set animations to videos and objects?
Of course! You can animate any object, whether text, shapes, or video. Select the object, right-click and select Animation to open the animation panel. Hover over effects to preview them, then select one such as slide or fade. You can also choose separate enter and exit animation to control when objects appear or stay on screen.
This is very important to creating a fun video.
Yes, so multiple objects can be selected together to apply the same animation at once. Click Show Timing on the timeline to see separate tracks for each object in a scene. Then, drag the handles on each track to stagger when animation starts, creating sequences where text or shapes appear one after another. Just like animating elements in Slides. Between scenes, click the Add Transition button in the timeline. Choose from simple transition like dissolve and adjust the duration for a smoother flow. It works almost exactly like slide transitions in Google Slides. Real-time edit is a big deal. First, you share with your teammate and give them the editor permission. This allows everyone to watch others' cursors and edit live.
I think this can help the video editing and sharing so much. To uploading a video on YouTube, it's actually a big work.
Yes, true. And when the timeline starts getting busy, you can change its view, right-click timeline, show timing, off to hide layers. You can use bits on multiple occasions. For example, for CEO messages, department announcements, store monthly summarizes, and more. Previously in our company, we asked the sales team to create a monthly sales summary video and upload it to YouTube as unlisted. We did this to share the video with staff members who didn't have Google Workspace accounts, but we replaced that with simply sharing from bits using viewer permissions. It's so much easier. They can share it right after editing. No one needs to wait to export or upload videos anymore. It's the Workspace way. Cloud first, URL first. This helped boost our team's engagement and cut out a lot of unproductive steps from our workflow. It gives you the essential fast, shareable links, real-time teamwork, slide-style editing. Try it for your internal videos and scale to external content.
I think this is very enough and easy to editing your videos for YouTube or even to prepare for a fun presentation to surprise your team.
Yes, you should give it a try. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye bye!